Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know long time no see. I have a very exciting video today. I couldn't help myself when I came across this handbag on Poshmark and the deal was just too good to pass up. So I want to do a Poshmark unboxing for you guys today. If you would like to see what I got from Poshmark, then keep on watching. So yeah, if you guys have been following me for a minute, you know that I love shopping on Poshmark. I also love buying things on Poshmark, which is the same thing. What I meant to say is I also love selling things on Poshmark. So not only do I like to window shop and check out all the good deals that they have, but I also like to sell. So last time I did a video, it was a long time ago, I did an unboxing for a designer handbag on Poshmark. Very happy with the handbag, still use it to this day. And yeah, so I've just kind of been perusing the website and kind of liking things as I go, kind of window shopping with things. And every once in a while, I'll see a deal I can't pass up. So I will say, this is the second thing I've ever bought on Poshmark. A lot of my activity has been selling. So if you guys are interested in selling on Poshmark or shopping on Poshmark, click the link below. If you click the link below and sign up with my link, you will get $10 that you can use to buy anything you want off of Poshmark with your first order. So if you'd like to support me and my channel, in addition to getting $10 off, then click that link below and let's get into what I bought. I'm just going to get right to it. This is a designer handbag that I've had my eyes on for many, many years. Probably just as long as the first handbag I bought from Poshmark. So both of them, I've had my eye on these bags. And when I saw the offer for this bag, I really didn't want to get my hopes up with, you know, the quality. So we will see how well kept this bag has been. But when I saw the price, I was like, you know what, for that price, I have to jump on this because I've wanted this bag for quite some time and I might as well just go for it and buy it. So I went ahead and bought it, and I'm not gonna lie, I did also do like a payment plan on it. So I'm gonna do like, it's like $20 or so every couple weeks. So they do have payment plans if you're interested in buying a designer handbag, but you don't want to dish out the money up front. So I did that. And let me tell you, the shipping was so fast that this thing is here. It literally took maybe, I want to say 2 to 3 days to get to me. And yeah, so here we are. So let's just get right into it without further ado. So this is a fresh unboxing. I did take the tape off of the box just to take off the shipping label and the information there. So here's my box, just regular box that it came in. Let's go ahead and open this up to see what's inside. So every individual seller has their own style of wrapping things, obviously, because they are literally, you know, taking the things out of their closet. And T'Challa's here to help me unbox. They're literally taking things out of their closet and shipping it to you. So with this, we do have a little bit of tissue paper. We have a note. I'm going to go ahead and read that note. So the note says, thank you. And it says, thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your handbag. Love, LaShonda. So thank you, LaShonda, for this deal on this handbag that I've wanted for quite some time. So thank you for making that dream come true for me. And let's see what we got here. I'm just going to unveil. And the bag that I got, oh my gosh, this looks better in person than it did. The pictures did this no justice, but without further ado, the bag I got is the Alexander Wang Rocco bag in the shade Latte. This thing is so beautiful. So for the price I paid, we are going to do a quality check on this bag. I do see some wear. You can see the rose hardware here. There's a little bit of wear on the rose gold, but that's nothing that can't be polished up with some rose gold paint, so that's definitely fixable. But my gosh, the leather on this is soft. It feels incredible. And as you can see, it doesn't look so bad to be, you know, a bag that's been worn. This is actually beautiful. But yeah, let me open it up and see what's inside. I'm assuming the straps are in here. I don't see a dust bag, but that's quite okay. I do actually have an extra dust bag that I received when I bought a wallet from Alexander Wang, and it is too big for the wallet, so coincidentally it will fit this bag. So thank you Jesus for putting 2 and 2 together on that. Yeah, so it had, the strap was in the bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up, you know, the way it's supposed to look. And then we'll do a little quality check here on this bag. It's kind of similar to like a Louis Vuitton 30, Speedy 30 in size. That's pretty much the exact size that this bag is. Let me go ahead and bring you guys in just to show you some of the quality. The seller was nice enough to take pictures of wear and tear on the bag. So I did know what I was getting into when I bought it. But like I said, those pictures are literally like zoomed in. So the wear is actually not that bad for what I paid for this. You can see there's a little bit of wear on that rose gold. Like I said, I will pretty much probably take this in to get it fixed up and polished up. Here's the inside. There's a little bit of bubble wrap. Everybody refers to this as like a black hole because it's a black interior, but it fits a ton of stuff. So it has the Alexander Wang tag. It has the zipper where you can put other things in here. Really good condition. No smell to the bag, so it was really well kept. And there's 2 pockets there. You could put other things. Yeah, you probably can't see it because it's so dark. And then the infamous side pocket here that you could fit a phone, wallet, all kinds of stuff, but it's like a hidden pocket. And everything looks good in there too. So this bag was really well taken care of. Like I said, there is some wear. This bag has been used, and it's actually wearing similarly to my Alexander Wang wallet that I bought years ago. It's pretty much in a similar condition. So what I think I'm also going to do is buy a wallet to match this, because the wallet I have is the black with rose gold, and I'm going to look for a latte with rose gold. So if you know anybody who's selling the wallet that matches this, please comment below, because I would like to buy one to have a perfect match for this bag. But can I tell you, I am so thoroughly pleased with the quality of this bag. Some of you have probably bought and sold this bag already. It's probably come and gone for some of you and your collection. But this is my first time with this bag, and like I said, I always wanted it. And nonetheless, this does not disappoint. So I'm extremely happy. I'm not going to get into how much I paid, although it was a fraction of the price for the bag. I will just say that it was enough for me to immediately add to cart and check out. Like there was no turning back when I saw that offer for this bag, and I'm so thankful I hit the checkout button on this, because let me tell you, this bag is beautiful. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like on. I probably could zoom out here a little bit for you guys, but just so you can get a general idea, I am 5'2½". Don't forget the half. Don't forget that half, boo-boo. I'm 5'2½", and as you can see, it wears beautifully. I just came from work, so I'm in all black, so I guess it's actually a perfect outfit to model the bag with. I'm gonna back you up just to do this bag a little bit more justice, just so you can see a little bit farther. looks like. So this is what it looks like on. Beautiful size for my height and my frame. And it just looks amazing. So I'm so glad I bought this. I don't plan on selling this anytime soon. If I were to sell this one, it would only be because I got a better quality Alexander Rocco bag somewhere else. That's the only reason I would sell this one. But I'm actually happy with this, and the wear is perfect. So I don't really feel guilty walking around with this bag because it's been worn. It's already been worn. So there is wear. And the price, this is worth more than what I paid. So thank you, LaShonda, for this amazing deal. If you would like to buy from the seller, I highly recommend her. I will leave her info below as well if you would like to follow her and just keep an eye on what she is buying. Oh, sorry, T'Challa, I sat on the cat. So yeah, I will leave the seller's info below. So if you would like to shop from LaShonda's Poshmark closet, I highly recommend buying from her when she has stuff for sale. And yeah, I'm very, 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 very pleased with this offer, with this purchase. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you'd like to see more unboxing videos, stay tuned. Like, comment below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.